Welcome everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our unboxing model review of the Tainted Grail Fall of Avalon King Arthur collectible model. And before we get into it, want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve. Looking forward to a fun 2024 of gameplay. This model is it's part of the Tainted Grail collection. This came in with the full Kickstarter. You can see the artwork on the box is quite nice. You've got Arthur standing on a pile of fallen, it's like from war. He's got plate on. You can see from his helmet, he's got the crown. He's got this massive banner behind him, banner of Camelot, all in white. I'm going to assume this is Excalibur here. The box is pretty simple. They've got the model. The model looks great. The model artwork on the back, not painted, but really shows off the detail. Let me try to zoom in on this a bit better. Got those fallen soldiers down below. Knights in different disarray. You've got the scabbard. Oh, from the actual model art, you can see that the banner is tattered. And his armor is all chipped away and destroyed. So it looks like this doesn't quite capture that from the box art. But the model is definitely more tattered armor. He's got a helm on. You can see by this he's got a helm on. So yeah, this is pretty cool. We're going to do a little unboxing of this. Take a look at the miniature. Obviously, we like to do these in preparation for a painting video. Before we jump into it, we've been playing Tainted Grail Fall of Avalon. We've had a first season. We'll be kicking off a second season this month. So if you can like and subscribe, you guys can check out our Tainted Grail gameplay. We've done a miniature painting for Monsters of Avalon, but we will be working our way through the first main box set of Tainted Grail. We also will be looking to move forward in Age of Legends and The Last Night. We've got Monsters of Avalon, Past and Future, and Mounted Heroes as well. So yeah, we'll be making our way through quite a bit of miniatures. Like to add this into the next paint through. So if you like and subscribe, you can get notified when we do that. We also do gameplay of Joan of Arc, Song of Ice and Fire, lots of miniature painting for those as well. And a variety of other games, everything from Battlestar Galactica, Cthulhu Wars, War of the Ring, Cthulhu Death May Die, Conan by Monolith, Game of Thrones, Twilight Imperium, Dune Gale Force 9, Dune Imperium, and the list goes on, Resident Evil 2. We'd also like to just shout out quickly to this channel's sponsor. Hey, did you miss a Christmas gift for someone? You might want to pick them up, the Cat 2 Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, or the Alchemy and Anthroposophy and the Dune Saga, 2 books from Pontos Fathom Press. Check out our bookstore links below. It helps to support the channel. You can also check us out on Patreon. Thank you very much to subscribers and our Patreon. So let's kind of crack this open and see what we have inside for a mini. I like the way they give this the full treatment. It's like, although it's a just a standalone mini, they give you a box that's like a game storage box. We've got this great card here, and it's already got it's kind of been bagged. It's not officially a sleeve, but you can keep it in the sleeve. So you got that same box cover art here, maybe a little bit more detailed, different pencil inking it looks like, and then you've got a sort of a painting version of it. This painting is intense. So you see it's Arthur, but it's kind of like a, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Arthur with a bunch of heads. Yeah, it's like Arthur in the throes of war. Like this is with the war with Mordred or something at this point, right? So we got that card. Maybe we'll leave it this way. Let's jump into this mini. Oh wow, so that's another detail that I couldn't tell from the armor. Oh yeah, there are the swords sticking out here. I didn't quite catch that last time, but Let's go check this mini out. So first of all, from here, you see it's quite a few spears. Looks like spears that have been thrown. There's a pile of soldiers below him. He's got it looks like a guy that's been ripped in half, dragging him by his armor. You can see Excalibur, you can see the tattered nature of the banner. Let's kind of zoom in on this and really get a close-up view. So I'm going to try to keep it in focus here and then take this all the way in like that. So let's kind of go to the top of the mini. So yeah, you can see the detail there in the mask. And maybe we'll also do those eyes in a way that they kind of have that glowing look to them. Then we got the armor here as well. The armor looks like a plate, but it's like a ribbed plate. I mean, that's kind of cool. I've never seen something like that. It's almost like it's looking like bones itself. You can see the way they've got this presented here. It's almost like they just did a wash with it. Right? So maybe this would look cool with sort of a monochrome treatment like that with a wash. And it's kind of giving me some ideas for it. You can also see there's some ornate hip pieces in the back here. That looks like something that we could do with some gold or some metallic inlay. The knee guards are all banged up. The boots are massive here. And then he's got the cloak in the front. He's also got this forearm shield. And you can see more of this ribbing, scaling kind of thing here. Looks pretty cool. From the top you can see the crown. It's like they kind of chinsed out on his hair though. It looks like it's a helmet. It's like a great helm more than a crown. But there are some spikes for the crown there. Zoom out just a bit. So yeah, look at the boots. If we check out the base, you can see here's a guy, there's boots here, another body, another spear, and then you see this long pole with the banner behind him. And then let's take a look, kind of a zoomed in look on the Excalibur as well. It's a pretty decent sculpt here though, I like it. The Excalibur's got this two-handed sword, but it's kind of got like this extended piece. It's kind of a strange design, right? It's not really traditional here, but yeah, let's take a look at it like that, right? Yeah, so it seems like an odd choice for a sword, but yeah, it looks cool. Why not? It's going to look great painted up. So yeah, I'll definitely add this. I'll probably add this to one of the, when we do one of our batch paint throughs, maybe to the Mounted Knights, or when we do Past and Future Monsters of Avalon. I'll probably bundle this in with one of those when I do the paint through, and we can get to that. So yeah, so let me know what you guys are painting in the comments. If you guys are anyone's playing Tainted Grail out there. I haven't gotten the newest release of Tainted Grail, but I do have the full Kickstarter, so we'll kind of be making our way through that, and really looking forward to continuing that journey, and looking forward to playing more games with you guys. Like and subscribe. We'll ring the bell and we can be notified when the next Tainted Grail game comes out. I've got some other bits. I've got Echoes of the Past. I'll probably do an unboxing of that. Maybe add that into the next season of gameplay. But thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you out on the game board. Take care. Bye-bye.